Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Is my voice clear? Hello.
Yes.
Open your camera. Okay, look. In the last class, open your mic. In last class, we have discussed about number one. Uh, what do you mean by decimal places? Depending upon decimal places, tell me how many types of fraction we have? Tell how many types of decimal we have? How many types of decimal we have?
Two.
What are they? What are they? Hmm?
I don't know.
You are telling me two types of decimal are there, but you don't know the name. Like decimal and like unlike decimal. Like decimal
Like decimals.
and unlike decimals. Okay, tell me what do you mean by like decimal? Having same decimal places.
Yes. Having
Deci
same decimal places.
decimals having same decimal
Decimal place.
places. Then the number two is unlike decimals having
Like decimals having
decimal places.
different decimal places.
Different decimal places. Okay. Then tell me how to हिंदी में बताना. Okay, how to convert unlike decimals into like decimals.
By adding zero.
Okay, by adding zero on the decimal part. Don't put zero on whole part, you have to put zero on decimal part.
Decimal part.
Okay, then tell me how to
Compare.
compare decimal how to compare decimal number. हिंदी में बताओ.
How to compare decimal number.
Yes. Number one.
First, check the whole part.
No. First, convert each fraction into
Convert
like
A
fraction.
to like fraction.
Like fraction. Then number two. Tell me. Number two. Check the whole part. Check the
The whole part. Shut the whole part.
the decimal which having higher whole part. That number is higher. If the whole part is equal, then we have to look the tenth place. If the decimal which having higher tenth place, that is higher. If tenth place also equal, we have to look the hundred place. If hundred place is equal, we have to look the thousand place. Okay.
Okay.
Then we understand how to add decimals. How to add
Decimals.
decimals. First, same rule number one. Convert each fraction into convert each decimal into like decimal. Convert
E
each
decimal into like decimal.
decimal into like decimal. Number two, write in such a way the decimal places are on same line, same column. Look, here is the example. Look, 100th नीचे 100 है, 10th के नीचे 10th है, decimal के नीचे decimal है. You have to write like this. Then you have to add like normal number and for the decimal places. Okay.
Okay.
Did you practice all this question?
Which
Wait. Exercise 41. Did you practice?
not all these.
How many of these you practiced?
Question number 1, A and D. Question number 2, A and D.
Yes.
Question number 3, A.
Something is on your camera. Remove this. Yes. Okay. Then we have to go for subtraction. How to subtract? Same. Rule number one. Step number one. Convert the given decimal into like decimal. Same thing. You have to convert the given decimal into like decimal. Write the smaller number under the larger one so that the decimal point both the number are in same column. Remember, in addition you can write 3 plus 5. Don't worry, same answer. 5 plus 3. Don't worry, same answer. But in subtraction you have to maintain the order. Tell me, always you subtract from larger number to smaller number or smaller number to larger number?
Larger number to smaller number.
That means in column method. Look, in this method, the larger number should be first and the smaller number should be second. Okay. Then step number 3, subtract as in the case of ordinary number. However you subtract the ordinary number, same thing you do. Only the changes is you have to convert the given decimal into like decimal. In the difference, put the decimal point directly under the decimal point of the given number. Whenever you are finding the difference or addition, you have to put the decimal place directly under the decimal point of the given number. Okay. Only try one of these. Question number D. Quickly try question number D. You have to subtract. That is already written in column method. So you have to only write and find the answer. Are you doing?
Yes.
You have to subtract 10.012 7.236. So you have to subtract 7.236 from 10.012. Quickly subtract. and tell me the result.
Question number 4D.
Yes, question number 4D.
ये क्या बनता है? ये बनता है क्या? जूस
Do.
जूस
Open your camera and do. Tell me the result. 10.012 subtract 7.236 from 10.012. Quick, make fast. Only you have to do the normal subtraction. Open your mic. Your mic is tough.
2.776.
2.776.
Yes.
Okay. Can you subtract 6 from true?
No.
No. We have to borrow. It become 12. 12 minus 6, 6. Now after giving 1, it become 0. It become
Zero.
0. We have to, we cannot subtract 3 from 0. So you have to borrow. So you have to borrow. The side number is 0. So it cannot able to give you 1. So you have,
10.
from 10 it is impossible. So from 1. So it become 9. It become 9. And it become 10. 10 minus 3 7. 9 minus 2 7. 9 minus 7 7 2. Yes, correct. Okay. Then you look question number 5. What is the meaning of this? Can you explain me?
7.83 minus 2 1.7.
Which one is written first? Which decimal is written first?
7.8.
Ah, how many times I was telling you that 7.83 from 21.7. Few seconds ago I was telling you during subtraction you should write the bigger number first and smaller number second. The among 7.83 and 21.7, which one is larger? Hmm? Give answer to my question, then do. Among 7.83,
1.70.
so why are you, if 21.7 is the larger number, then why are you telling, sir, we should write 7.83 first? Always
Mistake.
write the larger number. First, you convert the given decimal into like decimal.
1.
Then, after converting, which one is larger?
1.70.
Yes, so 21.70 you write first. Then you write 7.83 and subtract them. Otherwise, always remember, look. Always remember the decimal that right side to the form is always greater than the decimal that left side to the form.
Okay.
Look carefully and tell me the answer.
Question number?
Same question. Question number 5A.
Okay. तेरे सामने से उठा कर ले गया।
Do not find the answer. You have to subtract 21.70 minus 7.83. Subtract. Are you doing? Hello.
I am doing.
Open your camera. So where you stop your camera? During calculation, don't stop your camera. Answer is how much? Your mic is stuck. Tell me answer is how much?
13.87.
Okay, you have to do normal division and normal subtraction. Leave the chapter. Look, are you able to do all these questions? Only subtraction, you have to do subtraction. Then move to next page. Find the difference. Look. Question number 6, look. Same thing, you have to do subtraction. Do question number E. 753.126. You subtract 197.039 from 753.126. Subtract. Normal subtraction. We have to do only normal subtraction. Decimal point. Write decimal point exactly below to the do the subtraction. Are you doing? Okay, do the subtraction. Open your mic. Answer is how much?
556.687. 087.
556.087.
087.
16 subtract from 9 is 7. It's 11. 11 minus 3 8.
Yes.
0 0. 13 7 6. 4 14 9 5. 6 1 5 is correct. Then look the simplify question. You have to do same thing. Only normal subtraction to find the difference. What is the meaning of difference? Difference means subtraction. Okay. The meaning of difference is subtraction. Then look, question number 7. Can you able to do question number 7?
Yes.
First, same concept. You have to convert each number into, sorry, each decimal into like decimal. Okay?
Okay.
Then, according to the instruction, you have to do. Look. Here 63 becomes 63.800. Because look now, here it having 3 decimal places. To convert it, we should put 20, na?
Yes.
Then 14.37, we have to add 10. Then 28.60609. There is nothing change in this number. Then 9.07, we have to put another 0. Okay?
Okay.
Then according to instruction, first you are do this question.
What?
Do the question number 7a. Make it normal addition and subtraction. Are you doing? Are you doing?
Yes.
Why are you removing your page? Do na. After converting each fraction into like fraction, then look. First you do addition because 63.800 plus 14.370. First you add this number two number. Are you doing? Don't use calculator. Look my screen. First you should add 63.800 plus 14.370. How much you got? Hmm. Your mic is tough.
78.17.
It's your final answer or after adding 63.800 14.370 your answer?
After adding this.
How much? 0, 7, 11, 4378, 617. 78.170 na?
What?
How much your result? 78.170 na?
Yes.
Then you have to then subtract minus 28.609. Subtract. Then you have to subtract, na? The result 78.170 minus 28.609.
That answer with 28.609.
After subtracting 78.170, 28.609, what is the result?
I can't find it.
Fine.
फिर मैं नोटबुक के पीछे करती हूँ ना तो वहाँ पर बहुत सारे वो है बट आई हैव माय फाइनल
And then do 78.170 minus 28.609.
यस
After this question, what problem is coming? The cap
what problem did come back?
from decimal also, what problem is not coming?
No.
Oh, they are making exam as easy. But we have to practice what problem. That is coming or not coming, that is the different story. How much?
Wait. Then
How much?
59.561.
After subtracting 78.170 minus 28.609, how much you get? Got? You have to subtract 78.170 minus 28.609, na?
Yes.
And how much you got?
59.561.
Do carefully. Quickly do.
What?
The subtraction is wrong. Do once again. Do.
Okay.
78.170 minus 28.609.
20.
28.609. Again, you are closing your camera.
What?
Now do. Give focus. Only 20 day. Give focus. Okay.
What are you telling?
The exam is around 20 day. Na. Give focus.
I 7 minus 2. 7 6 minus 2. Yes, I got that.
How much?
49.564.
Yes, correct. Then you have to subtract 9.70. Okay, leave them. Look, this word problem question I will discuss at the last of our class. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have to leave this. But you should remember some of the question, word problem question is left. Then look the next concept.
Yeah.
Converting decimal into fraction. How to convert a decimal into fraction? Read the rule number 1. There are 3 rules.
Yeah.
Page number.
Converting into fraction. Okay. To convert a decimal into a fraction, we number 8. Write the decimal without the decimal point as the numerator of the fraction.
Okay, look. 0.7. Look my screen. Step number 1 is saying remove the decimal point, write down the number in numerator. Removing the decimal point, whatever the number you got, you should write in numerator. Okay, then read the number rule number 2.
Write 1 followed by as many zeros as there are decimal place in the given decimal denominator of the fraction.
Okay, then in denominator, you should write first 1 and how many number of 0 that depends upon after decimal point how many digit are there. Here 1 digit, so we have to add 1 0. Understand?
Yes.
Then question number C is telling simplify the fraction if possible.
Fraction if possible.
Okay, if you don't have time, so no need to simplify. Only you have to remember how to convert decimal into fraction. Fraction means numerator upon denominator. Remove the decimal point from the given number. Whatever the number you got, you should write on numerator, and in denominator put 1 and put number of 0 on the basis of how many decimal places are there. Okay.
Okay.
Then look, in left hand side the meaning of 0 is nothing, so this fraction becomes 7 upon 10. 0.7 I can write it as 7 upon 10. Okay.
Okay.
Then same thing. Quickly tell me 0.83. If I convert this fraction into a decimal into fraction, what is the fraction?
83 upon 100.
Yes. You have to remove the decimal point. After removing decimal point, whatever the number is there, you should write in numerator. In denominator, write 1, then put number of 0 on the basis of how many decimal places are there. Here decimal places are 2, so you have to put 2 0. Okay.
Why you write 087?
083, it is 083. I am writing 083 because of, look, after removing decimal point, whatever you got, write down, don't worry, 083. Then you know in the left hand side, no need to write 0. Okay.
Okay.
And look how to convert 23.7 into decimal.
237 upon 10.
You should remove the decimal place, write down whatever the number you got in numerator. In denominator put 1, and how many number of 0 you should put depending on the decimal places. Here decimal places is 1, so you have to put 1 0.
1 0.
Now you understand how to do?
Yes.
Well, 0.003. Now you tell me, after converting the decimal into fraction, what is your fraction?
3 upon 1000.
3 upon 100. Why are you putting 30? Because here decimal place is 3. Are you getting?
Yes.
16.04.
16.
16.04.
1604 upon 100.
16 numerator.
1604
Yes.
upon 100.
Yes. then 3.005 convert
3005 upon 1000.
okay. Then the second part of your book is saying here we have to first we convert decimal to fraction. Okay, now we have to convert fractional into decimal. Fraction into decimal. Two things. One is decimal to fraction. To convert decimal to fraction, what are the rules? पहले आपको decimal point हटाना होगा. जो आपको मिलेगा वो नंबर उसको न्यूमरेटर में लिखना है. डिनोमिनेटर में एक के साथ कितने जीरो में ऐड करूंगा वो डिपेंड करता है वो डेसिमल नंबर में डेसिमल प्लेसेस कितना है. ओके, इट इज हाउ टू कन्वर्ट डेसिमल नंबर इनटू फ्रैक्शन. अभी शुरू करेंगे फ्रैक्शन को कैसे डेसिमल, हाँ फ्रैक्शन को कैसे डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. देयर इज वन इजी ट्रिक टू कन्वर्ट फ्रैक्शन इनटू डेसिमल, दैट इज इफ द डिनोमिनेटर इज 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000, it's easy to convert. Okay, if the fraction having denominator as 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 means 1 with a number of 0, then that is so easy to convert that fraction into decimal.
But I don't know 3 upon 4. How to convert it?
Wait. 3 upon 4. First look now. There are several methods are there. Several techniques are there. We have to start from the first technique. Nah? Don't be confused. Okay.
Okay.
Number 1. 17 upon 10. 17 upon 10. Whenever the question is coming from, convert the fraction into decimal. First you have to check the denominator. First you have to check the
Denominator.
Here denominator is how much? In 17 upon 10, denominator is how much?
17 upon 10.
Denominator is how much? Denominator?
17 upon 10 denominator.
In 17 upon 10, denominator is how much? My question.
Is 10.
10. Then you know, if denominator is 10, that is very easy to convert this fraction into decimal number.
Yes.
Then look. Now 17 is okay. Now the decimal point is 17 upon 10. Now the decimal point is right side of a 7. Okay. Here. Upon 10 means divided. So we have to put the decimal point one step to the left. Why I am putting one step left? Because here number of 0 is 1. Number of 0 is 1. Do you understand?
Okay.
Then the final answer is 1.7. 1.7. That means if any fraction having denominator as 10, 100 or 1000 or 10,000 in the numerator, we have to put the decimal places left side on the basis of how many number of 0 are there in the denominator. Okay. हिंदी में, हाँ हिंदी में ये होता है, आपको कोई भी फ्रैक्शन जिसके डिनोमिनेटर में 10, 100, 1000 और 10,000 है उसको कन्वर्ट करने के लिए डेसिमल में क्या करना पड़ता है, उसके न्यूमरेटर में डेसिमल प्लेसेस को डिनोमिनेटर के जीरो कितने जीरो है उस अकॉर्डिंग लेफ्ट साइड पे लेना है. ओके.
ओके.
देन 237 अपॉन 100. पहले देखो डिनोमिनेटर 100 है तो दैट मीन्स वही जो रूल अभी मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ वही अप्लाई होगा. तो कितना होगा बताओ? कन्वर्ट 237 अपॉन 100 इनटू डेसिमल.
ओके. 237 upon what?
100.
We have to convert it into decimal.
Yes, because it's given in fraction form, we have to convert it into decimal form.
2.37.
Okay, now the decimal point is right side of a 7. We have to put it into left side. How many steps? That's depend upon how many 0 are there in denominator. The denominator having 2 0, so you have to put 2 step left. So our final answer is 2.37. Okay.
Okay.
17 upon 1000. Convert this into decimal.
Seventeen upon 1000
Yes.
into decimal.
Yes.
Is it 0.17?
Okay, look. You are telling me 0 point?
0.17.
Look, how many zero are there in denominator?
3.
Then we have to move the decimal point
Move the decimal point.
three step left,
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
one step, two
2
step.
step,
There,
3 step.
look, after one there is
This
nothing,
is
na?
point.
After one there is nothing,
Yes.
but we have complete only two step, one step,
Yeah.
two step, three step. Then there is nothing in three step, so we have to put zero, na? Then our answer should be 0.017.
Okay.
Why are you telling wrong result? You forgot. Now you understand?
Yes.
Then convert 1 upon 1000 into decimal.
Zero. 0.001.
0.00.
0.01.
Yes, because now in 1000 three zero are there. We have to move the decimal point three side left. One, two, three. After one there is nothing, so we have to put 20. Then now the decimal point is coming here, 0.001. Now got? Hello.
Okay.
Then 1007 upon 100. Convert it into decimal.
1.007.
1.007, because the decimal point is the right side of a 7. We have to move three steps to the left. Then it become 1.007. Okay.
Okay.
It is the fast rule. It is the fast rule how to convert fraction into decimal. The rule is saying if denominator is 10, 100, 10,000, that's easy. Depending upon the number of zero, we have to move the decimal point to the left side.
Okay.
If can every fraction having do every fraction having 10 in the denominator?
No.
In that case, what we should do? Look, sometime a fraction can be converted into equivalent fraction with a denominator 10 or a power of 10 as shown below. Look, sometime this is rule number 2. This is rule number 2. Look, in 3 upon 4, what is the denominator?
What?
In 3 upon 4, what is your denominator?
4.
4. Is 4 equal to 10, 100,000, 10,000?
No.
Can you say me what I
Yes,
multiply?
we can convert it.
We can convert it into, we can convert this denominator 4 into 10, 100, 1000, 100. Can we convert? Tell me, can we convert? Then can we convert this 4 into 10, 100, 1000? Any one of them? Can we convert? Give answer.
What?
Can we convert this denominator 4 into 10 or 100 or 1000?
Yes.
4 can convert it into 100, na?
Yes.
What do we multiply with 4 that my result become 100?
Wait. 25.
What you multiply?
What?
What you multiply with 4 that your result become 100?
25.
25. And you know the rule, if you multiply something in denominator, we should multiply that number in denominator.
Yes.
The 25,
Immediately.
the 25 into 3, how much?
75.
Now you know how to convert 75 upon 100 into decimal. Convert
0.75.
0.7.
5.
Open your camera first.
Okay.
Something 3.2. 3 upon 2. Look the denominator. Is it 10? In 3 upon 2, what is your denominator?
2.
2. Can we convert? Can we able to convert this 2 into 10, 100 or 1000? Any one of them?
Yes. 10.
10. What you multiply with 2 that your result become 10?
5.
5. And you know the rule. If you multiply some number with the denominator, you should multiply that number with the numerator.
Yes.
Then after multiplying, what is your result?
15 upon 10.
15 upon 10. 15 upon 10 can be written as
1.5.
1.5. Where you are putting point after 1 because a 10 having 1 0. So you have to move the decimal point one step to the left. Okay.
Okay.
5 upon 8.
5 upon 8.
At this time, if you will kept below result, then what will happen? Look, it's around 3 time I am divide this chapter. 3 time. In between 1 to 1 and 1.5 month, we have discussed this chapter 3 times. Okay, tell me. Leave the concept. Focus. Okay, give focus. 5 upon 8. Can we convert 8 into 10? No. 100? Can we convert? No. 1000?
Yes.
So then what you multiply with 8 that your result become 1000?
Wait.
Divide 1000 by 8. Whatever the quotient you get, that is the result.
One, two, 5.
1 to 5. That's good. Same number you should multiply with numerator. Then multiply and tell me your result.
6 to 5.
6 to
1,000. The answer is 0.625.
it is become 6 to 5 upon 1000, and you know how to convert it. Do you understand?
Yes.
Then the last one. Are you feeling any difficulty?
No.
Do 129 upon 4. Do.
What?
129 upon 4.
Okay. One to four.
1 to 9. 1 4. Tell me the result. Are you doing? Tell me. So what you multiply with 4 that your denominator become 100?
25.
25. Then same number you should multiply with 129.
Yes.
129 into 25, how much?
Five is 3225.
How much? 129 into 25?
32225.
3225. Then convert it into decimal.
32.25.
32.25. But my question is, are you look, if the if in the fraction denominator is 10, 100,000 and 10,000, it's easy. In 1 second I can able to give the answer. Okay? But think, it is taking time na?
Yes.
You have to think which number you should multiply with the denominator, that number you should multiply with the numerator. After multiplying, then you have to convert. So are there any short method? Yes, there is a short method. Look, 15 upon 4. 15 upon 4. Look my screen. In 15 upon 4, your numerator is 15 na? In 15 upon 4 numerator is 15 na?
Yes.
Denominator is
4.
4. Okay, look the step. Divide the numerator by denominator. First you have to divide the numerator by denominator. Complete the division, let a non-zero remainder be left. You have to divide until you are getting a non-zero remainder be left. कभी भी नॉन जीरो रिमाइंडर नहीं होना चाहिए, रिमाइंडर ऑलवेज जीरो होना चाहिए. जब तक नहीं आया यू हैव टू डू सेम थिंग. लुक 4 3 जा 12, 12 minus 15 3. But your step is saying if you got except 0 then you have to do something. If you got 0 then don't worry. Here remainder is 3 na? Then what should we do? Look, insert a decimal point in the dividend and the quotient. In quotient in dividend दोनों में decimal point लगा. Okay, put a 0 on the right side of the decimal point in the dividend as on the right of the quotient. आपको अभी डिविडेंड में भी एक 0 लगाना है, क्वोशेंट में भी एक 0 लगाना है. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? कुछ समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है? पहले स्टेप देखो, मैं पहले से बता रहा हूँ. पहले जो भी न्यूमरेटर है उसको डिनोमिनेटर के साथ डिवाइड करो. लुक 4 3 जा 12. माय रिमाइंडर इज आई एम गेटिंग 3. बट योर क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग, योर स्टेप इज सेइंग अगर आपको 0 मिल रहा है तो सही बात है, अगर 0 नहीं मिल रहा है आगे क्या करना है, एक डेसिमल पॉइंट पुट करो डिविडेंड में, एक डेसिमल पॉइंट पुट करो क्वोशेंट में. ओके, देन एक 0 पुट करो किसमें, डिविडेंड में, एक 0 पुट करो क्वोशेंट में. देन शिफ्ट दिस 0, देन ये नंबर 0 को शिफ्ट कराओ. 4 के टेबल में 30 है नहीं है तो 4 7 जा 28, 4 7 जा 28. Then you subtract 2. But now also your remainder is not 0. Then again put 0 on the dividend. Then shift this 0.
20 and 5. Yes, just
I'm telling here wrong. Wait. You have to put only decimal point in both dividend and quotient, but you have to put 0 only in dividend. Okay? Then your answer is 3.75. 3.75. Again I am telling you the step. Look, divide numerator by denominator. हिंदी में बता रहा हूँ. न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करना है. ओके, डिवाइड किया. डिवाइड करने के बाद मेरे पास रिमाइंडर 3 आया. बट आपके क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है रिमाइंडर शुड बी 0. क्या होना चाहिए? बट इधर तो 0 नहीं है. अगर नहीं है तो क्या करना है, इधर डेसिमल पॉइंट लगाओ, इधर भी डेसिमल पॉइंट लगा, एक 0 लगा. ओके, 0 पुट करो किसमें, डिविडेंट में. देन शिफ्ट कराओ ये 0 को. देन 4 7 जा 28. देन 2. अभी भी रिमाइंडर मेरा 0 नहीं आ रहा है तो अगेन यू पुट 1 0 ऑन द डिविडेंट. तब तक 0 लगा जब तक आपके ओनली डिविडेंड में, जब तक आपके रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं हुआ है. नाउ यू लुक, योर रिमाइंडर इज 0 एंड द क्वेश्चन इज द आंसर. कोई अगर आपको पूछेगा कन्वर्ट द डेसिमल इनटू फ्रैक्शन, सॉरी कन्वर्ट द फ्रैक्शन इनटू डेसिमल, आपको तो चेक करना है. अगर डिनोमिनेटर 10 है, 100 है, 1000 है, इट्स इजी. अगर नहीं है तो ये वाला अप्लाई करना है. नॉर्मल डिवीजन है, देयर इज नथिंग इन दिस डिवीजन. ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू डू? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? Then instruct me. Suppose 1/4. पहले मैं क्या करूँगा बताओ, क्या करूँगा पहले?
You have to what?
मेरे को इस 1/4 को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है बाय डिवीजन मेथड। तो पहले क्या करूँगा?
By division method.
यस। स्टेप नंबर 1 में क्या करूँगा?
So
You told me you understand and you are unable to tell me the first step. न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर के साथ डिवाइड करूँगा।
divide
4 0 जा 0
0.
1। बट मेरे को अभी क्या मिल रहा है? रिमाइंडर 1 मिल रहा है, बट कितना मिलना चाहिए था? 0।
0.
तो अभी मैं क्या करूँगा?
Add 0. First, add decimal point.
In both quotient and dividend. Then
And add 0.
0 on dividend. Then shift this
Yes.
0. क्या 4 के टेबल में 10 है? नहीं है, तो 10
No, 8.
8
And
शिफ्ट
2.
2 मिल रहा है। फिर अगेन
Add 0.
आर 0 ऑन डिविडेंड।
And shift. Yes, dividend. Add shift 25 and 20.
Then 1/4 equal to 0.25. You should remember this method, otherwise you will lose mark in your exam. Look, you have to practice this question. Here 10, don't worry. 100, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Whenever you are getting except 10, 100,000, you have to do the division method. Can you do? What is your homework? Kindly I request you to practice. If you understand that, practice now. Whenever you are feeling difficulty, ask me. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Exercise 42 is your homework. That's enough for today's class. You will meet from the class.